Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to connect a Squarespace domain to your Google Sites website. It's simple and I will walk you through each step so you can get your custom domain working in no time. Let's jump right in. First of all, go to sites.google.com, choose then open your site, click publish in the top right corner. Choose web address like yoursite.com. After publishing, click the small drop down arrow next to publish. And choose custom domain. Click use a domain from a third party. Enter your full domain name from Squarespace like www.yourdomain.com. Click verify ownership. You will get a txt record to your Squarespace DNS settings. Now go to Squarespace and log in. Click on settings, domain. Choose your domain. Scroll down to DNS settings. Click plus add record. Choose txt record. For host or name, enter @ for txt value, paste the code from Google Sites, then click save changes. This tells Google you own the domain. Now we just wait for verification. Click verify after you have added the txt record. This can take a few minutes or even up to 24 hours, but usually it's quick. Once verified, Google will ask you to update your domain CNAME or a records. Add a CNAME record name for www value ghs.googlehosted.com, or use a records if Google gives you those, usually for IP addresses. Save changes. Make sure you only have one record set or it might conflict. After that, it may take a little while to update across the internet. And that's it. Your Squarespace domain is now connected to Google Sites. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you got stuck. I am here to help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.